In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add redirects in Tally forms. Whether you're looking to enhance user experience or streamline your data collection process, redirecting your users to a specific page after they complete a form can be incredibly beneficial. Let's dive in and go through each step to get you up and running smoothly. To start, open your web browser and navigate to Tally's website. You can simply search for Tally Free Online Form Builder or type the URL tally.so into your address bar. This is where you'll be building your forms and setting up those crucial redirects. Once you're on the site, your first task is to log in. You'll find the Login button easily on the homepage. Give it a click to proceed. Next up, you'll need to log in using your preferred method. I'll guide you through using Google for this tutorial. Select Continue with Google to use your Google credentials. Tally conveniently integrates with Google, making sign-in quick and hassle-free. After clicking, you'll be prompted to select your Google account. Choose the correct one from the list and click on it. It's as simple as that. With your Google account connected, the page will provide the Continue option. Click it to proceed into your Tally dashboard. Now within your Tally dashboard, you'll see a list of your forms. Go ahead and click on the form you wish to edit. This action will take you to the form's editing interface where you can customize it to fit your needs. In this interface, your next step is to access the settings. Look towards the upper right corner of your screen for a gear icon, which represents the settings option. Click on it. Now keep your eyes open for the Redirect on Completion feature within the settings menu. There's a toggle switch next to it. Go ahead and click the toggle to enable the redirect feature. Once enabled, you'll notice a field appears where you can type in the URL of your choice. This URL is the destination you want users to be sent to after they finish filling out your form. This could be a thank you page, a landing page, or any other URL that suits your purpose. Be sure to enter it correctly, as this will ensure a seamless transition for your users. And there you have it, you've successfully set up a redirect for your form in Tally. By following these steps, you can improve user engagement by guiding them where you want them to go after they complete your form. This small setup can help enhance the user experience significantly. Thanks for joining me today, and happy form building!